Did you know that your garden could be your best defense against colds and flu? Before we dive into nature's secret remedies, let me quickly tell you about something amazing, the Medicinal Garden Kit. It's a complete set of healing herbs you can grow right at home to naturally boost your health and immunity. Check out the link in the description below to get your Medicinal Garden Kit today. When the cold or flu strikes, instead of rushing to the pharmacy, your garden might already have everything you need. One of the best herbs to fight colds is Echinacea. This powerful immune booster helps your body fight infections and reduces the severity of symptoms. You can make a soothing tea from its dried flowers and leaves. Next, peppermint. This refreshing herb is great for easing congestion and soothing sore throats. The menthol in peppermint helps open nasal passages, and a hot cup of peppermint tea can bring almost instant relief. Another fantastic remedy is thyme. It's not just a cooking herb. Thyme is a natural treatment for coughs and bronchial infections. Boil a few sprigs in water, inhale the steam, or sip it as tea for comfort. Lemon balm and ginger are also powerful allies. Together, they help reduce fever, calm your nerves, and relieve headaches. A warm cup of ginger and lemon balm tea can make you feel so much better in minutes. Isn't it amazing how nature provides everything we need to stay healthy? And that's where the Medicinal Garden Kit truly shines. It gives you seeds and guidance to grow. Echinacea, peppermint, thyme, lemon balm, and more healing herbs right in your backyard, no gardening experience needed. So this cold and flu season, skip the chemicals and trust your garden instead. Grow your own healing herbs with the Medicinal Garden Kit, a natural way to boost your immunity and health every day. Grab yours now from the link in the description below and start your herbal journey today.